loving you, na scam. Major banks.
Hey, every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me.
You need an empty spray bottle. I'll be using rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use any clean water to do this. I'll also be using glycerin, and the reason I'm using glycerin is to hold the water and the highlighter that I'm going to be mixing inside the rose water together. And glycerin is also a good moisturizer for the skin. The highlighter I'll be using is the Makeup Revolution Pearl Light Loose Highlighter in Candy Glow and Sunset, and of course a funnel.
They don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Okay. If you
I'm also going to add drinking water as well. So you can actually use only drinking water if that is what you want. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Next, I'm going to mix these 2 highlighters together in a piece of paper, and then I'll pour it inside the bottle.
Crazy. I want me one for me. For my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go.
I'm going to mix them together. You can actually use any highlighter and shade of your choice. I'm using this one because it complements my skin color.
Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hear me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, do my calm down. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Catching that vibe.